Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create a new page on Facebook. Let's dive in. Open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, click on this three menu button here. So you look, okay, let's go and look for page. Click on pages. When you click on pages, you say create. You say discover an invitation. So I'm going to create a new page here now. So click on the create, and is your page for personal, private, or for public? So I'm going to take public page, and you click on next. Now next thing is for you to name your page. So I'm going to name my page as video editor. I'll click on next. When you click on next, it's going to ask you what categories best describe your page that you wanted to create. So now you can search for it. So let's see, let me just pick randomly. I can just pick like this, just pick two. You can search for more category and search for more category. So just use click on create, and our page is being creating now. Okay, now so you have created your page. So what best describe your goal? What do you want to do? Are you going to promote products on your page? Are you going to create content and connect with fans? So I'm going to what? Create content and connect with fans. So you click on continue, and after that it's going to bring you to your final section on your page, your biography, your contact, your email, your all this one. Click on next. After that one, everything that we saved, then this is it. You have to customize your page, so you can put a profile picture here. So let's just click on random profile picture. All right, let's click this, and all right, so just click on next. When you put your profile picture, you can invite your friends to your new page. Click on next once you have invite. So this is it. Do you want to use notification on your page? Do you want to market? All this one is a notification. So click on done once you are done with everything, and your what, you have created a new page on our Facebook. It is very easy. So now if you found our video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys for watching.